Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. So we're going to talk about chapter 7. Chapter 7 is project appraisal and risk. So what is risk and uncertainty? Risk is a calculatable. Risk arises when there's several possible outcomes, and based on past relevant experience, probability can be assigned to the possible outcome. However, for uncertainty, we have it's the same as risk. However, for uncertainty, we can't assign the probability to the changes, to the different possible outcomes, since there are no past experience or perhaps there are no definite information regarding the possible outcome. So risk analysis. So first of all, probability analysis and expected value, EV. Probability and analysis of expected cash flow can be estimated and used to calculate expected NPV and to measure risk. So whenever we talk about expected value, so for example, whenever we talk about expected value, we're going to use the average of the expected value from all of the possible outcomes. So for example, the price of a screw, there's a 3 possible outcome. So first of all, 50%, there's a possible outcome of 50% of the price will be $5. There's a 30% that the price will be $3, or perhaps, and then another 20% of the price will be $1. So we're going to average the probability for each of the outcome and take the average of the outcome itself as the cost of the screw. So risk and joint probability. Probability distribution of expected cash flow can also be used to measure risk. For example, by calculating the worst outcome as probability, calculating probability that project will fail to achieve positive NPV, and this may also analyze the risk of a single outcome. The joint probability can also be defined as probability of two risky outcomes occurring at the same time, and is calculated as probability of one outcome multiplied by the probability of another. However, there's a few problems with risk and uncertainty. Since risk is an estimation, whenever we talk about estimation, we can't be quite sure 24/7 that our estimation will be correct, because estimation will be influenced by a lot of things: experience in the related incident, experience in past investment, experience in the different sector of investment and whatnot. And also there's a probability of expected value may not be a possible outcome, since there's a multiple probability, we can't be sure that the probability that we calculated will be the outcome that is the real outcome, since there's a lot of possible outcome. So there's other technique for managing risk. First of all, simulation. We can use computer simulation by chucking in the data for the probability and risk, and the computer will calculate the changes in the probability and everything. So differences so for computer simulation, for human natural calculation, we can only calculate for one variable. However, for computer simulation, they can calculate for more than one variable at the same time, and also give you a result for a faster time. So this will help management to calculate the risk and probability of an investment. So uncertainty analysis. So we're going to calculate a sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity analysis refer to how sensitive is the net present value to the changes in the variable of the investment. So for example, how sensitive is the NPV to changes if the variable cost changes by a few percentage. So that is what is meant by sensitivity analysis. So that's all for chapter 7. Thank you.